kitchen. Hello everyone, today we are making peanut butter / crunchy peanut butter. If you like that better. You will need peanuts, of course, but if you get shelled peanuts, it will take a while. If you get shelled peanuts, what is a nice thing to do is put on a movie or your favorite YouTube video and just shell the peanuts because it takes a long time to get it all separated. Or if you want nice and quick and easy, you can just buy shelled peanuts, and that's a lot simpler. Now we want to chop it up so it won't look, well, I don't know how to say this. It won't look like it's making any progress, but it does get there. It just takes a little while. Peanut butter is really quick and simple, and I would really suggest doing it if your child absolutely loves peanut butter, or if you absolutely love peanut butter. It's a nice, simple, and it's a money saver. Just peanuts, no soybean oil, no hydrogenated cottonseed oil, no corn maltodextrin, and no sugar, no monoglycerides, no diglyceride. You know it's bad if you can't read it at all. Dislegard, melted dirixiton, diglyceride. Sometimes the glycerides to die. Hydrogenation, no hydrogenated cotton.
That again.
One thing you know is if you can't read the things in something, you know it's bad for you. Not necessarily bad, but still. But I don't know. I think this is just a quick money saver, and you can always be proud of it. Be like, yeah, we made that. You kind of, at the end, if you want smooth, it looks like slime. It doesn't taste like slime, but it looks like slime. Nice and glossy. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.